Welcome. Let's see how to easily connect Lemlist and keep your data updated on schedule. Navigate to the connection screen, click on the Add New button, select the appropriate connection, and then click Next. At the second step, provide the required API key. Once you click on Connect, your connection will be established. Proceed by clicking Next, then Save to successfully add your connection. Head to the collection screen. Click on Add, then select your connection. Proceed to Next step. Select the object from this list and then click Next. The data will be displayed here on the visualizer. Click Save to complete the collection addition. Click the three dots to enable the refresh schedule for automatic updates. This requires an established Google Sheets connection. Begin by clicking on Refresh Schedule. A pop-up window will appear. I am now copying the URL of the Google Sheet where the data will be updated. Ensure to click on Check Connection to validate the Google Sheets connection. Then input the sheet name and choose the appropriate syncing method. Here, you can enable the email notification for data updates. Now, configure the schedule and specify the time for your data update. Simply click on Save and the schedule will be activated. That's it. The data will be updated automatically at the scheduled intervals in accordance with the selected syncing method without requiring any manual input. Thank you for watching.